fix Disney Plus annual plan auto renewal error. So to fix a Disney Plus annual plan auto renewal or payment error on mobile, stop using the mobile app and instead log into disneyplus.com via your phone's web browser to update your expired credit card, fix billing details, or manage your recurring subscription settings. Now all we have to do is go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to disneyplus.com. Now go to the website, then log in with your account credentials and then tap your profile icon and select account, then scroll down to your plans and billing and then tap your annual subscription, then select update payment info to re-enter a valid credit card or correct your billing address. Now if you originally signed up through iOS or Google Play Store, on your iOS what you can do is go to settings, then tap on your name at the top of your screen, then tap subscriptions. Now since I don't have any subscriptions, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. Now find Disney Plus from the list of your subscription to update payment methods or toggle auto renewal. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.